Hi, good morning to all. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Morning.
Hi.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you, everyone?
Good.
All fine? Good morning, Jahovan. Good morning, Anushka, which it's looking like Gamora. Good morning, Hannah, Anna, Ezekiel, Joshua, Jahovan, Abigail. Good night, Joshua. How are you, Abigail? Yeah. How are you, Abigail? Anna, A for Anna. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Anushka. Good morning, Ezekiel. Now you're fine? I mean, your network is fine?
Yeah, I'm back.
Good morning. Yeah, I'm back. So yesterday you saw the class or you just uh, not paying attention anything in YouTube?
Oh, but I have to say, I couldn't see the whole thing. We had to go somewhere.
Oh, then you should have whole day, no?
But we were on the train, so.
So it's okay. Yesterday we just learned how to make table,
Okay.
which you'll just see the video today. And there is a table on page number 562, module number 5. Okay, if you will take out page number 562. So how we make the table yesterday we learned. I guess everyone understood. Is there any doubt in that? So everyone turn on the camera, please.
Also, I got
I'm
my
not
books.
feeling well. Is it okay if I keep it off?
Okay. Yes. Ezekiel, what you saying?
I got my books.
You
My
caught your book.
got my books. I mean, my 10th grade books.
Okay, 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 okay. So
Sir,
you can take out page. Sorry.
my laptop's a bit slow today, so can I keep it off for some time?
Okay. Then turn it on. Okay. So yesterday we did this thing. Now today we'll solve some questions based on this. Okay. Everyone just open that book, page number 562. Page number 562. Everyone take out the book, page number 562. And in page number 562, there's a table. Just see that table quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The chapter number is 23, right?
Yes.
Oh,
You saw the video, Joshua?
yes, sir.
So you understood everything? Okay, now first example is this. We have to find the value of 10 square 60 minus sine square 60. So I'll ask Abigail. Abigail, what is the value of 1060? Can you see the table? You guys should have tables with you. Okay. Yeah. What is the value of 1060? Say loudly.
Root of 3, sir.
Yeah, root 3. So I'll write root 3 and the square because 10 square is given us. So that's why I will write square. Okay. Understood? Huh? And now A for Anna. What is the value of sine 30? See from the table. Quickly see from the table.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
1/2.
1 upon 1 upon 2. Okay. Now what is the value of root 3 square? Jahovan. Turn on the camera, please. Yeah. What is the value of 1 by 2? Jahovan. No, sorry. I mean, what is the value of root 3 square? Jahovan. Can you hear me, Jahovan? 3. Yes. Okay. How it become? See, root 3 multiplied by root 3. It means that root 3 square, can I write it like this? Root 3 multiplied by root 3. And root 3 multiplied by root 3 is basically 3. Okay. Yes or no? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. And you can write root 5 into root 5 is 5. Okay. Root 7 into root 7 is 7, like this. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So root 3 square is 3 minus, it will become 1 upon 4. Why it become 1 upon 4? Because 1 by 2 whole square. Understood, Abigail? Yes or no? Don't write. Ask me.
No doubts, sir. I understood.
Okay. Now it's 3 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So can I write it like this? 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 4. I have to take LCM. So it will become 12 minus 1 upon 4. So the answer will be 11 by 4. Understood, guys? Did you understand how I did it? Everyone, Jahovan, Anushka, A for Anna, Joshua, H for Hannah.
Sir, can you make this a decimal also? Is that allowed?
Who's asking? A for Anna?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do decimal also, but if it is not asked, then don't need to do it. You can do it, but it's an extra step. They won't give you extra marks for that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Joshua, what you're asking?
So 7 into 7 equals 7. If it's root, right? Root
Yeah, root
3
7
square means
into root 7 into root 7 is 7.
okay.
Okay. Quickly write it down. Then I will give you a question based on this. Open the table, just write in your book, and then write the solve it. Okay. Shall I raise this, guys? Shall I raise this? Ezekiel, turn on the camera. Okay, 1 minute. Joshua said 1 minute.
Sir, will we
Yes.
have a class tomorrow or the day after?
Doubt class will do on Thursday or Friday.
Okay, sir.
Shall I raise this? Okay, I'll give you a question. Okay, do this question. Find the value. Can you do it, guys? Or do you want to assist me first? Okay, Ezekiel will assist me. Yes, Ezekiel.
So I'm not very clear. So can I see it being solved?
I'll help you to make it clear. Tell me. So first of all,
I'll
what you have to
ask
do
next sum, sir.
next time?
Next sum.
Next time. Okay then. Okay, then Anushka will help me. Anushka,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
Okay. Okay, so I guess the value of cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. So
Yes.
we square that to complete square. And then
Root 3 by 2 square. Yes.
into 2 by root 3 whole square.
2 by root 3. Is it sec 45? See again, what is the value of sec 45?
Okay,
See the value of
root 2.
root 2 square plus
Okay. Then what's it? Again root 2, I guess.
yeah, again root 2. Then
And then cos 60 degrees 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Then what's the value it will become? It will become 3 by 4
Yeah.
into 2, because root 2 square is 2, plus 2 into 1 by 2. This and this will cut. This will become 1, it will become 2. It will become 3 by 2 plus 1. So it will become 3 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 5 by 2. This is the answer. Understood? Abigail, Jahovan, Anushka, yes or no? Do you have any doubt? Ask me. Same for Anna. Joshua,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes.
Could you explain it again? My net went, so.
Okay. I like Anushka said me the value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So I wrote root 3 by 2 square because it's written as cos square 30. It will become root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. Into sec square 45 degree. It means that 45 sec 45. If you will check that value now on page number, what is the page number?
562?
Yeah. If you will check the value of sec 45 degree, do you know what is the value of sec 45 degree? Can you check it and tell me again
Okay.
from that table?
Mm. Is it 4 by 2 root or 4 by 2 equals root of 2?
Sec 45 is equals to value. It's root 2, na?
Yeah.
So root 2 I wrote. In the same way, cosec 45 is also root 2, if you will check it. And cos 60 is also 1 by 2. So then I solve it. Root 3 by 2 is become 3 because root 3 into root 3 will become 3. And 2 square is become 4. Into root 2 square is 2. I just cut it, simplified it, and I solved it.
Oh, so the 2 2s of 4 will be 3 by 4, right? Because root 3 into 3 is 3.
Yeah, root 3 into 3 is 3. But here, the 2 2s have become 4.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone understood? Abigail? Ezekiel? Understood, beta? Now Ezekiel tell.
So can I, like, I'm just getting the tables and I don't have the table downloading in my
Hmm. Quickly download it. That till then I'll write the equation. H for Hannah, understood?
Yes.
Okay, solve this. Now Ezekiel, help me.
So what are we trying to
Come
do,
on.
sir?
We have to find the value of this.
So like we have to substitute the values.
Yes. What is the value of cos 45?
1 by root of 2.
Yeah. So 2 into 1 by root of 2 square. Plus
And one second. It's tan 60, right? Root
yeah.
of 3. Root of 3.
So tan 60 square is given. No? So tan root 3 square. Then
Okay. Sin 1 by root of 2.
hmm.
And tan 1 by root of 3.
Now you have to solve it. Simple. Everyone got the same answer? Yes or no?
I didn't see the 2 times cos square 45, but
Yeah, 2 is there. Abigail, you got the same answer?
Still doing it.
Okay. Do you have any problem?
Sorry.
Sir,
Yes.
the root of 3 square, right?
Hmm.
How did you get that to just 3?
Because root of 3 square is basically, can I write root of 3 square as root 3 multiplied by root 3? As we write 2 square is 2 multiplied by 2. So the multiplying of root 3 into root 3 is basically 3. So that's why I got 3. Okay, done. Visualize this. Now Abigail will help you. Okay, here we have to prove LHS is equals to RHS. So Abigail, come on, help me.
Yes, sir. So tan 45 is 1
Okay.
by cosec 30 degree is 2
Hmm.
plus plus 2 sec 60 degree is 2
Hmm.
cot 45 is 1
Okay.
plus 5 sin 90 degree is 1
Hmm.
by 2 cos 0 is 1.
Hmm. So now what will you do?
Now we have to first we have to multiply the third fraction
Hmm.
into 1.
So what will become?
So then we get 2 as the LCM. So we multiply the third fraction.
Now what will you do? What will be the LCM?
So 2 would be the LCM. So we take 2 as the denominator, common denominator,
Hmm.
and we add 1 plus 4 minus 5.
Now what will be the answer?
we get 5 minus 5 by 2 equals 0.
Solve. Understood? Yes or no? Everyone understood? Okay. So now next question. I'll not do it. You guys have to do it. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
can you go back?
Just give me a second.
Oh,
Yeah.
done, sir.
Okay. Now you guys solve it. Quickly do it. Done.
So,
Yes.
could you just do it at the first two steps, maybe?
You guys tell me the value. Now you have to solve it. Understood, guys?
Sir, the answer will be 10 by 3, right? Or something different.
No, the answer will be 10 by 3.
Okay, sir.
Done? Abigail, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hannah, Ezekiel, you got the answer? No. Okay. Anushka, A for Anna.
I'm still doing this, sir.
Hmm. Okay, now this is the question. That if 10, um, 10 to 10, sorry, if theta is equals to 30 degree, then 10 to theta plus 2, everyone pay attention, 10 to theta plus 2 tan theta. Okay, now remember this, guys. See, tan 2 theta and 2 tan theta both are very, very different. See, if I will write theta is 30 degree, na, so it will become tan 2 into 30. So it will become tan 60. Okay. And if I will write 2 tan 30, okay, then it will become tan 30 is root 1 upon root 3. So it will become 2 into 1 by root 3. This is root 3 and this is 1 by. So tan 2 theta means 2 will multiply with the angle. Understood? 2 will multiply with the angle is tan 2 theta and 2 tan theta is 2 into the angle. Okay. So now in this question, we have to solve LHS equals to RHS. So what's the problem? Nothing problem is there. See, tan 2 into 30 is equals to 2 into tan 30 minus 1 minus tan square 30. So it will become tan 60 is equals to 2 tan 30 minus 1 minus tan square 30. Now you have to solve it to find the answer. Can you solve it, guys? Can you solve it? Any problem in that? Okay. Will you solve it? Done?
Sir, can you solve it? I'm kind of confused.
Okay. Okay. Done? A for Anna. Now you understand
Yes, sir.
what I did?
Yeah, I think I got confused with the root for it.
Hmm. Abigail, you also got the answer? No.
No, sir, I'm getting 3 by root 3.
Yeah. So this is the last answer you got. It's correct. See, 3, as I told you just before, that root 3 multiplied by root 3 can be written as 3. So can I write 3 as root 3 multiplied by root 3?
Yes, sir.
Can I write 3 as root 3 multiplied by root 3? Na? So here 3 is there. So I write it down root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. So 1 root 3 and 1 root 3 will cut and will remain behind only root 3.
Okay, sir.
Or you can do rationalization also. You know rationalization? Like 3 upon root 3 is there. So if I will multiply it by root 3 into root 3, so what will happen? This root 3 and root 3 will become 3. So 3 root 3 upon 3, this 3 and this 3 will cut. So here's the root 3. Okay. Everyone got it?
Yes, all right.
Okay, so your homework is page number 570, question number 1, 2, and 3. Full. This is your homework. Page number 570, question number 1, 2, and 3. Full. Little homework I used to give Abigail. Okay, it's not more than that. So you can do that questions. Okay. I can understand the burden you have. That's why I will always give only small homework. Okay, it's my ideology, you know.
Last
So
time you did give us small homework, sir.
yes. What?
Last time you didn't give us small homework, sir.
Yeah, this is also small homework. Yes, Hannah. It's for Hannah. This is also a small homework, no? Hannah wants more. She's saying. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. All the math students, you can say goodbye to the science student because they have half an hour more to to like to take that science class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye. 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 Guys, you have 5 minutes. Come back. Okay, guys, come back. So yesterday we learned about um, uh, ionic bonds. Yes or no? Yes. Now, hello, Joshua. Good morning, Joshua. Good morning, Ezekiel. Good morning. Okay. So yesterday we learned about the Lewis dot structure. Yes. So you guys, I gave you homework, and who didn't get? I think the one messaged me. He didn't get N2O3. Yes. Okay. So the N, which is nitrogen, the atomic number is 7. Now nitrogen has the opportunity to lose 3 electron to become octet. How?
So isn't nitrogen's atomic
No,
number 7?
Nitrogen N2O3 will not go with ionic bonding then. Yeah.
Yeah, it's N2O.
N Na2O.
I got
That is
N2O when
Na2O.
I did.
No, Na2O. First is Na2O. N2O3, I guess it's not possible then, because N atomic number is 5, and he will not give. I mean, atomic number is 7, and oxygen, nitrogen. Yeah. Okay, N2O3 is not possible. We'll not draw it. Okay. Okay, guys. Yes or no? Okay. Now,
So
yeah.
can you check that, like, the last line where you write, I'm not sure if I've done the writing part correctly.
In your book, Hannah, where's your book? I didn't see.
I didn't send it. I forgot to send it. I've written it in the book.
So what
I'll
I
send
have
the
to check?
picture after class.
What I have to check then?
Yeah, I'll send it after class.
No, what I have to check? You said no. So can you check that?
Yeah, should I show it to you on screen?
Yeah. Okay. No. Mm, no. It's wrong. You can't draw this. It's wrong. It's okay. So now, so as I told you, the bond between these atoms which we learned is ionic bond. Which bond? Can you tell me? Ionic bond. Ezekiel, there is an ionic bond. Yesterday, please attend the class. We just did the Lewis dot structure. Okay, so please attend the
Okay, sir.
class and go through it. Okay, Joshua, I guess you attend that class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now there is a bond between the, now this is called as metal and this is called as non-metal. So basically the bond between the metal and the non-metal is ionic bond. Okay. Now ionic bond has some characteristics. First is the magnesium oxide is an ionic bond which is deposit of cations and D negative of anion. So as I told you, cation and anion bond will make ionic bond. Okay, Jashron? Okay. So the cation and anion, when they react, they form ionic bond. Yes or no? Understood? Okay. Now, the magnesium oxide is ionic bond because it has cation and it has anion also. Okay. Now, sodium chloride is also cation and anion. So there are some properties that we should know of cation and anion. Okay. Now, what is the first property? The first property is physical state. Now, basically, they always in a crystal form. They always find in a crystal form means they are the crystalline solid. You know crystal? Do you know like you know salt? Desh ka namak, Tata namak. If you will take they are in form in crystal, no? So the physical bond of an ionic compound are basically crystal form. Second is melting point. They have high melting and boiling point. They have high melting and boiling point. Means you need to give a lot of temperature to um to melt them. They have high melting and boiling point. Electric conductivity, yes, they do conductivity. But if I will put salt, a bunch of salt, and like if I will do like this is a box in which only salt is there, and if I am putting one electrode here and one electrode here, and I'm connecting to battery and then bulb, so the bulb will glow? No, it won't glow. They need to be in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means adding of water, or they need to be in molten state. Molten state means like liquid state, like that much heating. Lava coming from the earth, it's in a molten state. Okay, when it got cooled down, then it becomes rock like igneous rock. Okay. In the same way, the electric conductivity of the ionic compound need should be in aqueous solution, means the addition of water, any water, tap water or distilled water, any water. We just need to be add that. And the second is it should be in molten state. Now, what is mean by molten state means they should be in liquid form. Like that much heat should be there. They should be in liquid form. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Now next part. See, solubility. So solubility is they are soluble in water. Like can you will you take water and you can soluble in it. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Now I'm giving you 5 minutes to put the heading in your notes copy. Properties of ionic bond. Quickly write it down. Properties of ionic bond, and you have to summarize yourself, write the physical state, melting point, electric conductivity, because in 5 mark question they can ask you these 4 points. Quickly write it down as a notes. So you have to summarize it like physical property, melting point, boiling point, electrical conductivity, and solubility. Understood, guys? Yes or
How
no?
long
Is
does
it
it have
clear?
to be, sir?
It should be 3/4 of a page. Okay. So write
What
it
should be
down quickly.
3/4 of a page, sir?
You have to write it down. Properties of ionic bond. You have to write properties like I explained the properties now. Now you have to write it down from the book. Okay. I'm giving you 5 minutes for that. 7 minutes for that. Quickly write it down.
Are the properties given on the screen?
Page number 144 and 143. It's there. Just summarize it and write it down in your notes copy as a notes, because they can ask you in the 5 marks question quickly.
Sir?
Yes.
I have to write the properties of ionic
Bond.
compounds.
Yeah, ionic compound. Yeah.
Yeah. So physical state, melting, and boiling point.
Yes, everything in summarized way.
Okay.
सारे छोटे बच्चों नहीं करो मैं छोटे बच्चों को कौन सा सही है इतने गलत हुए मेरा डंडा ठीक है सही है साहिल मुझे बता ये स्क्वायर क्या है क्या है ये रेक्टेंगल है तो ये क्या है ये रेक्टेंगल पूरे सिर्फ एक मार्क्स लेके आया कितने मार्क्स लेके आया मुझे बोलू एक ओपन जाओ बैठ जाओ अंजलि आ जाओ अभी मैं अंजलि का मार्किंग करूंगी अभी कोई बताएगा ये कौन सा है ठीक है नहीं बताओगे बताओगे तो ये मिलेगा ठीक है कोई भी बताएगा ठीक है सब हम देखेंगे अंजलि मुझे पकड़ पाती है कि नहीं चलो मुझे बता ये क्या है ठीक है देखते हैं आगे ठीक है मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि गलत है सही है वो तुम्हारे ऊपर है ठीक है ठीक है
Done?
कोई नहीं बोलेगा पीछे से
Yeah. Okay. Now, next. Okay. Now we'll learn about covalent bond. Which bond? Covalent bond. Okay, now listen. See, covalent bond. So covalent bond is the bond which forms by sharing of electron. Now in the previous question, we learned that electrovalent bond is the bond, it's the transfer of electron. Like if we are making NaCl, so Na will give one electron and chlorine will get one electron. So what Na will do? Na will give chlorine to the electrons. So here it is transferring of electron was there. Yes, but the covalent bond is basically the what is this? Sharing of electron. Sharing of electron. Okay, now understand it like this. For example, okay, now chlorine is there and another chlorine is there. Now they want to make a bond. Now this chlorine is saying, I want one electron. Just now we learned that chlorine always need one electron. And this chlorine is also saying, I also want one electron. So now if he will transfer it, so this will become stable. But for this, it will not become stable because it has 6 electron in the outermost shell. Guys, did you understand? No, no, you didn't understand things. Huh? Understood, guys? Ezekiel, you are not paying attention. I'm repeating again. Chlorine has 7 electron in the outermost shell. Okay, Ezekiel. Now
Yes, sir.
this chlorine, now for doing an octet, they need one electron each, so that they will have 8 electron in the outermost shell. So now this chlorine is saying, I want 1 electron. So if he will give this 1 electron to this, so this will have 8 electrons. Yes, this will have total 8 electrons, but this will not have 8 electrons and it's unstable. So they won't go in a transferring of electron. They will go in covalent of bonding. So for example, what they will do, now listen is guys, please pay attention. Okay, this is very important. So what they will do, like chlorine is there and another chlorine is there. So they have 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They also have 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now what this chlorine will do? Chlorine says, okay, brother, we will share one electron each, and we will create our own kingdom over that. How? See, now in the green chlorine, how many dots are there? Dots represent electrons in the green one. Can you calculate it? In the green one, I'm saying, yeah, this is green one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 also. So basically, the green one has 8 electrons having octet, satisfied. And this one also in blue circle, how many electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons. Both have 8 electrons. Both are fully satisfied, and they will form this bond called as Cl2. Understood, guys? No. Did you understand? Yes or no? So basically, this is called as sharing of electrons. Nothing else, but it's a sharing of electron. They are not um, transfer the electron from one atom to another atom, but they are shared. Okay.
What, sir?
They will not, like in cation anion, what we learned in NaCl, like Na is giving 1 electron and Cl is also is taking 1 electron from Na. So Na giving, Cl taking. This is called as transfer of electron. But sharing of electron is they share. They said, oh brother, I also need 1 electron. You also need 1 electron. So can we share one electron each? If I will give 1 electron and you will also give 1 electron, if we are sharing that electron, then it will become a covalent bond. Understood? Okay. So now it's basically called as covalent bond. Okay. So here you can see that this H and this H both has one electron. They will also do, because as I told you, octet rule, there's another rule called as duet rule. Now what is duet rule? What is duet rule? Duet rule is in the K shell, if they have 2 electrons, they are more stable. Like hydrogen, it only applicable in hydrogen, lithium, beryllium. Okay. Okay. So for example, you can understand it like this. See, this is hydrogen, this has 1 electron, this is also hydrogen, this is also 1 electron. Now, this hydrogen says that brother, your 1 electron is mine, and mine 1 electron is yours, so that we can complete our duet rule and we will become more stable. Yes or no? They are going towards the covalent bonding. In the same way, you can see the chlorine will also go in shared electron way. Okay. Oxygen and oxygen also. How? See, Understand it like this. See, this is oxygen. What is the atomic number of oxygen? Atomic number of oxygen is 8. So it means that in K shell 2 will go, in L shell 6 will go. So if I will represent the 6 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this oxygen also 6 electrons. Let me represent with another pen, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now understand it like this, guys. Now the green oxygen, I'm representing with the green color. That's why I'm saying green oxygen. The green oxygen needs how many electrons? 2 electrons. So you will say, brother, I need your 2 electrons. So what the green electrons will say? Okay, I am taking your green electrons. So now calculate how many electrons are there in green circle. Tell me.
8, sir.
8. And he said, brother, you took my 2 electrons. I will also take your 2 electrons so that we can do a sharing and we can form a covalent bond. So what this will do? What this we will do? Okay, I am taking yours. You are taking mine. Now in the blue circle, how many electrons are there, Ezekiel?
8.
8. Both has 8 electrons. Octet complete. Stable. Understood? Yes or no? No. Did you understand, guys? Cows, guys. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so they'll have more electrons and will also stay the same, right?
Sorry, say it again.
They'll have more electrons and also will stay equal because before it
Yeah,
was
basically they are
6.
doing sharing and caring. They believe in the ideology of sharing and caring. So they share and they care each other. That's why they form a covalent bond.
Okay.
They are not getting any electron from outside, but they say that you took my 2, I will take your 2. So 2 equal. Okay. Now you guys have to create this bond N2. So the N atomic number is 7. So in K shell, sorry, in K shell, how many will go? In 2. And in L shell, how many will go? 5. So this is N, and this is also N. Now you draw the bond. You have to represent the outermost electrons, which is this much. Now tell me how it will work. So Ezekiel will tell me. Ezekiel, tell me. How will it work?
What, sir?
How will it work?
Which
This
one?
blue N needs how many electrons?
It needs 3.
They need 3. So what he will say? I need your 3 electrons. These 3 electrons I want.
Yeah.
And the green nitrogen needs how many electrons?
3.
3. So how many electrons are shared between them?
3.
So this gonna be like this: 1, 2, 3, because 3 electrons are shared. Makes N2. Write it down. Quickly write it down. Quickly.
Side, चारों
About the number of electrons shared those many times will be the
Yes, the number of electrons which are shared, you have to draw that much lines. Like 1 shared, 1 line. 2 shared, 2 line. इजिकल समझ में आ रहा है इजिकल आपको?
हाँ, sir.
हाँ, हिंदी. हिंदी. Getting हिंदी. Okay. Now अब से मैं आपसे हिंदी में बात करूंगा. Okay, इजिकल?
ठीक है.
Oh, challenging. Ah, mm-hmm.
You said you speak, so
Challenging.
I know Hindi, so I said I will speak to you.
Okay, ठीक है.
My parents grew up in North India, so
Okay. तो जहोआन जहोआन से फिर हिंदी में बात करूंगा. ओके जहोआन, I will speak in Hindi with you. Okay, let your English be thrive in the kingdom of God. Okay, done. Okay. Now next. So you can see here nitrogen nitrogen bonding, oxygen oxygen bonding. This happens like this one. Okay. Now here the HCl bond is also covalent bond. See, H is H can't give one electron. If H will give one electron, he will become electronless, which is very unstable position. So what H says, okay, I will take one of your electron, you take one of my electron, and we will share and making HCl. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. I'll ask you one question. Ezekiel will tell me. Ezekiel, sharing is caring. This will create a good bond, or transfer will give a good bond, like powerful bond.
what's that? Can you repeat that?
The powerful or the strongest bond will be sharing and caring, or the bond which is created by transfer of electrons.
Transfer of electrons.
Yeah. See, transfer of electron, which means that ionic bond is the strongest bond, a strong bond than covalent bond. Okay. So the physical state of the covalent bond atoms are weak. They are basically weak in nature. They have weak attraction of force. As they are weak, their melting and boiling point is also low. Okay. They never conduct electricity. Okay. And the soluble is, they are not soluble in water but soluble in alcohol, chlorophyll, benzene. So these compounds are soluble in chloroform, benzene, like these compounds, but they are not soluble in water. Like you can't soluble alcohol into the water. No, it's not possible. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So this is the chapter. Now it's completed. Woo-hoo. Okay. Now I'm giving you 5 minutes to read. If you have any doubt, then ask me. And if you don't have any doubt, then we'll do the next chapter tomorrow.
When I send you the pics, can you check the light?
Do you send me?
No, I'm saying I'll send it to you later. Could you check?
Yeah, I'll check. I'm giving you 4-5 minutes. Quickly read it. And if you have any doubt, ask me. We have completed this chapter. Any doubt, guys? Chahuan?
Sir.
No? Hannah? Ezekiel, any doubt? No doubt? So then I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Yes, Hannah. Sorry.
Now, which chapter is that?
Okay, let me check them. Just give me a second. Okay, we'll do chapter number 8, acid, base, and salt. We'll continue with the chemistry, acid, base, and salt. Chapter number 8, acid, base, and salt. It's very interesting chapter. Jashron, are you getting everything, beta?
Yes,
You don't
sir.
have any doubt?
No, sir.
Am I very good teacher? No, sir. She's saying no, sir. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata. Bye bye. Shabai.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Sayonara.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.